Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to add email address in your TikTok account using your mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to TikTok application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in TikTok homepage, okay, go to me on the lower right side on your screen. And okay guys, here, okay, click the three dot on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, here in settings and privacy, okay, click manage account. And okay guys, here in manage account and account information, okay, you can see the email. So I have a phone number connected to my account. So okay guys, if you need or if you want to add an email address to your TikTok account, so okay, you'll have to do is select email. And okay guys, here, enter email address, okay, we'll email you a code to verify your email address. So okay guys, after you enter the email address, okay, you can get a code to your email. So okay guys, enter the email address you want to add to your TikTok account. And okay guys, after you enter the email address, okay, click send code button. And okay guys, you need to get the code from your email address. And okay guys, here you can see the TikTok verification code. So okay, you'll have to do is copy the code and enter to your TikTok account. And okay guys, after you enter the code, automatically save your Gmail or email to your TikTok account. So okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.